Vaccine delays are affecting Canada right now, as we are reporting to you one of our top stories. But not only Canada. We're getting word of major production problems at AstraZeneca and its key manufacturing facility in Europe, which has angered the European Union. Officials there have threatened action to make sure they get the supplies they've been promised. Tessa Arcilia is on that story from London for us this morning. What are the problems that AstraZeneca is experiencing, Tessa?
Well, Heather, basically the company is saying this is all because of production problems, production delays. And Europe, the EU, is certainly not happy with the company falling short of their supply promises to the bloc. Now, there is no public confirmation on exactly how big that number is going to be, but it is reported to be significant. Reuters are reporting that up to 60% a cut in supply. Now, let's not forget something important here. It is the context in which this is happening. There is a lot of criticism, a lot of disappointment among citizens at the slow rollout of the vaccination program across the EU. And add to that an already decreased supply of the Pfizer vaccine, which is mainly manufactured in Belgium. Put that all together, there's a lot of frustration. And the EU is keen to show that they're doing their jobs, they're protecting and fighting for the rights of their citizens. Let's take a listen to the EU Commissioner for Health here.
In the future, all companies producing vaccines against COVID-19 in the EU will have to provide early notification whenever they want to export vaccines to third countries. The European Union will take any action required to protect its citizens and rights.
Now, that last line is strong there. Basically, what they're saying is if we can't get enough vaccines that are manufactured outside of the EU, like the AstraZeneca one, then we're going to have to hold and control the export of vaccines made inside the bloc, like the Pfizer one. So this could impact the Pfizer vaccine supply into the UK. Heather?
Also from AstraZeneca, interesting, Tessa, there are reports that have come up in German media that AstraZeneca's vaccine is not very effective, specifically for seniors. Tell us more about the reports and what the company's saying.
Interesting that this is all coming out right now. The timing is significant here as well. Indeed, there are two major German daily newspapers saying that it's only effective for over 65 at 8%, that efficacy at 8%. That's extremely low. Now, AstraZeneca has come out and said this is completely incorrect. And also there's someone from the German health ministry, it has been reported as him saying, well, maybe somebody got their numbers mixed up. This is significant, though, because in a matter of days, the European Medicines Agency is expected to give the go-ahead to the AstraZeneca vaccine. In fact, today, the agency's director is going to face questions at the European Parliament. This certainly is going to be one of them, Heather, a really important one that has to be answered.
Tessa, thank you very much. Live from London, Tessa Arcilia.